What's good, children of God? Today we are gathered here courtesy of one really beautiful lady who has made this successful, because apparently she took my charger. She has blackmailed me with lots of love. I love her too. And for that reason, I had to make a few changes. I like living in abundance, no scarcity mindset. So I figured, why not give so that I can receive more? And that is just what happened. So from this conversation and from the look of things, I'm holding a box here. So that means we are doing an unboxing video, the two of us. We have done something like this before for different gadgets, and today, we are blessed to have two things that I want us to unbox. Okay, let's go. I have no knife, I have no scissors, but I have my fingers. Oh yeah, here we go. And for the culture, ooh la la. For the first one is this power adapter. This is for the iPhone 15. Real quick, I've been charging my phone using the laptop charger. I mean, that's for the MacBook. Someone told me that chargers, or rather the phones, will utilize the power. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I will be lying to you. I know what I want to say, but I'm lacking the words. This should be the manual. This is our appetizer. What do I mean appetizer? Why is this so shaky? Is it genuine or this is generic? No idea. How do you find out if these chargers are original? So this is for the video. This is our, I'll call it an appetizer. So let's switch the charger. For the phone, I know you cannot see, but I will do it. Here. This one. The type C. Let me confirm for you if it's charging. Yeah, it is charging. Because with the laptop charger, the phone is really overheating, even though I'm not using it, but I don't know whether I'm supposed to do it. All right, now let's move on to the main agenda of the day. As you all know, is that I've been using these AirPods, not these ones in particular, but the younger brother to this one. These are the AirPods Pro 3. Let me see if I can find the box for the Pro 2s. The Pro 2s are good. The only downside is that they keep falling off at the gym. And recently I just found out that Apple has other, what do I say? They have other buds for performance. The one that have the loop for the ear. All right, so here we go. These are the Pro 2s. This is the box. And now we have the box for the Pro 3 AirPods. This one feels relatively lighter. And I saw some of the reviews saying that the Pro 3s have active noise cancellation. And okay. I'm not talking about the active noise cancellation. What I really want to talk about is I'm confused today. What I want to say is that they have heart rate sensors, and they say that now we have better active noise cancellation. I will find out shortly. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it this way or let's just move on. So here are the tips for the ears. You have different sizes. I prefer the XS this one. So which one do you prefer out there? You have the XS over here. Oh, okay, this one. They keep falling at the gym. And here we are. Oh, they look so huge. No. Oh, here we are. I do not have the other ones, the Pro 2s. Otherwise, we would have done a side-by-side comparison. Please tell me if they are original. The shape has changed. But let me try to fit and see how ergonomic they are. Probably, I know I should be charging these things. My laptop recognizes them. So let's set them up real quick and go through some of the settings. And then I'm going to give you feedback shortly. So I'm going to use the iPhone. How's life out there? Talk to me. Oh yeah. Here we go. Connecting. Oh man, the noise cancellation is heavenly, bro. Transparency. Let me try to connect again. I don't know why they're not connecting, bro. Not connected. Says iPhone cannot connect to this. Why is it a problem? I'm having a hard time, man. I hate it when I have hard times with tech. Yeah. Okay, I should probably charge them. Oh man, the case feels very light. But with the cases, you'll notice that they usually scratch really fast. Assembled in Vietnam. This one feels... let's charge them and then I'll try to use them sometime. Yeah, they're still orange. So which charger am I using? Oh man, please. My battery, forgive me. Let's use this one. Feels super light. I have to go for now. So that was it. Pray for me. I always pray for you to make sure that God is also blessing you as much as He's blessing me with these gadgets. I've always wanted to do good videos for you wherever I am. Even when, look, today we are doing it on my bed, just like you, where you are watching this video from, most likely, or if you're in your living room watching from the TV, please subscribe. Then we'll keep talking. As usual, on the manual, we have instructions together with the gestures. Let me see if we have anything interesting that we can go through together. So we can double tap the case. Double tap with the case open to connect other devices. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's try. That's a new feature. All right. So we can use this one with the MagSafe charger. All right. So let's see if there's anything else interesting. I don't want to make this video too long and bore you with so many stories. Track your heart rate during workouts. I love it. Noise cancellation, conversation awareness, and spatial audio. Right? Okay, I'll connect them once they are charged. How long should we charge them? I will find out from them. Mano. Have a good time. Enjoy yourself. See you soon. Adios.